workstation, so it's capable of having a full-height graphic card attached to it in an expander module, so that you can use your existing C-class enclosure to enable Microsoft VDI.
Yeah, these are off-the-shelf graphics cards.
Off-the-shelf graphics cards.
Yeah.
It's full by 16.
Yeah.
So you can set it in. We support it. We ship it today.
Yeah.
We ship it today as a Blade workstation, but you could run Server 2000 AR2 SP1 with VDI on it, and then essentially virtualize that graphics card. And we have a couple implementations of the RFX clients shown here. So this is a soft decode of RFX using our Nano-based T5570 thin client.
Yep.
So you'll see the performance. We actually had the gamers come over and install this morning, and they're actually running that game on that device in soft decode.
They have a bad job, right?
Oh, it's a horrible job, right? I hate to play games all day. Then this device is a technology demonstration we brought to show hardware RFX encoding, decoding in a very small package, so it's 2.2 watts of power. It's delivering this frame rate and running 3D Mark graphics. You'll see this little box.
This is the true frame rate. It's not just a render frame, but truly the frame rate client
it's the render frame rate that the 3D Mark is seeing, right, on the server. Then this is the delivery of screen frames that are being seen, captured for decode. And then this is the compression rate of frames.
Okay,
so you're seeing, so what's really happening is you're taking a 3D multi-layer render, turning it into a 2D once it comes out of the graphics card, and then we render it down here. So you're getting the true Windows experience.
So this is all hardware?
This is
but
all,
is it upgradable? Can you?
So that's a great question. So let me tell you about the thought process we went through, and we
awesome
were deciding how to do a RFX appliance. So we looked at, well, we could put a more powerful processor, do it all in software, but we didn't like that answer because it's too much power. We looked at doing it in an ASIC, but our thin clients live 7 to 9 years at our customer sites. We do not believe RFX will be static in 7 to 9 years. So my thought process was we need an upgradable method. That's why we chose to use a DM370, DM3730 Ti Cortex-A ARM Plus DSP. We put the RFX codec in a DSP, so now it's a completely upgradable hardware accelerated solution. Right?
So anytime RemoteFX team decides to
update stuff,
tune it, optimize it, compress it, whatever,
we will be able to improve the performance, and we will keep it alive for a customer. And to do it,
that's my big objection with hardware-based devices, that people say it's a zero client, but the reality is, if you have a long lifespan, you want to upgrade.
You want to upgrade it. So we've designed it, and not only that, but we're the world's leader in thin clients. So we got about 1 out of 3 thin clients is an HP one. We have a management tool that goes across the entire line called Device Manager. We're going to use Device Manager on this. So it's a completely thing. And what we were here at the show is to talk to people about how do they want us to implement it. Because this is a technology demonstration. We do it standalone. We can do it embedded in a monitor. We can do it as a slide
in the future, or also today. In the future or today?
So we don't have a product today. This is a technology demonstration. What we wanted to find out is what our customers wanted.
Just a question, because you build your own thin clients.
Yes, we do.
If you look around at the other RemoteFX clients, they all OEM the same.
So we make our own.
You make your own. So this box, I saw another square box by Devon IT. That's definitely a different one.
So this is a reference design. This is not a product. This goal, the goal of this product, or this technology demonstration,
just to show people how it works.
Was to show people that we could execute the RemoteFX codec in a DSP.
And your product will be similar.
Not many people believed we could. Our products will probably be significantly different than this. We will use a ARM plus DSP as the hardware. How we build it, you know, we'll build the form factor will be small, but we have a lot of choices in the form factor that we make. That's why we were here, right? So how do people want it to look? How many screens do they want it to support? You know, what's the power? Do you want it plug in the wall, power over Ethernet? Which do you want? We have a lot of choices. So that's what we've been here asking people for their opinion, so that we could go back home and say, all right, here's what we thought, here's what our customers told us, and what's the best thing we could do.
What are the number one requirements from the people so far you spoke to?
So if I told you that, I'd tell all my
That's
competitors.
true. That's true. Yeah. We can, you know, he's not recording.
He is.
I'm under NDA. Oops.
No worries.
So anyway, so that's what we're doing. Technology prototype.
Thanks. Thanks.
It's demo hardware.
Yeah.
Hey, it's still beta, guys. So,
yeah. So that's kind of what we're doing.
Yeah, cool.